Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to talk to you about the settings in Anger. So right now you're just looking at my dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's the settings. So let's just run through them real quick. The business details, I chose to upload my logo. I had to include my business information or business address. The team, these are the people on my team who have access to view the engagement letters. Continuing down the left-hand side, there's integrations. You can integrate this with QuickBooks, with Zapier, and with Slack. I chose not to integrate it because I don't keep track of my customers in QuickBooks, so there wasn't really any reason to integrate it, for me at least. Okay, so that's the settings. I think since this video is short, we should go into kind of the templates and how you configure the proposals, which I feel like is settings adjacent. So I'm going to go from settings. On the left-hand side, I'm going to go to proposals and then go to default settings. This is where some of the magic happens, or some of the good stuff. First of all, I love that it's so simple. I do not have to do a lot of rigmarole to get this set up. First thing I have is the terms and conditions. I have my own terms and conditions. My attorney drew it up for me. We modify it as needed, but it's right there. If you don't have terms and conditions, Anchor has a default set of terms and conditions. So you can use theirs or you can use yours. Then amendment auto approval. I'll just hover so you can read. The number of days until payment is due. I ask for payment as soon as an agreement is accepted. I give people a chance to look at the agreement, to think about if we're a good fit, and if we're a good fit, then I would like to process the payment now. The credit card processing fee is paid by. You can decide right here, when there's a credit card processing fee, do you want the client to pay it or do you want to pay it? The clients always have the choice to pay via ACH or credit card. So it's not as if you're saying, I only take credit card and I want you to pay the fee. Clients can 100% choose not to pay via credit card. There is a checkbox allowing you to, by default, request accountant access to a client's Anchor account. I don't do that. I don't want to be able to log into someone else's agreement account and authorize payments or sign legal documents. I'm like, no, I want the client to have access to that, and just the client and not me. And it works out better for me. So it's my preference. So automatic service settings. When is the billing done? So this means if we're doing monthly bookkeeping, for example, is the client going to be billed upfront or at the end of each billing cycle? We ask for payment upfront for everything that we do. What day are the monthly services billed? So do you want it on the 1st of the month, the 5th of the month? What do you want to have as the default for your clients? And then the billing day for weekly services. So in this case, I've set it up where monthly billing, you get charged on the 1st. Weekly services we don't offer, but I guess if we did, it'd be charged on Mondays. I'm asking Anger to issue an invoice upon proposal acceptance. I don't do a first month proration. The reason I don't do it, and I think many people watching this video will be bookkeepers, and so you'll understand this, I'm going to be working on your records as of the 1st of the month, even though I'm in my chair and at my keyboard in the middle of the month. I'm not prorating it because I still have a month's worth of work to do, or Megan has a month's worth of work to do. So it's not fair to us to prorate. If for some reason your business operates differently, 100%, like this is a checkbox you can select. Then there's the introductory message templates. I really don't mess with this. I just customize it as needed. But I have two templates in here, the new client template and the existing client template. I can change my default text to be whatever I want it to be. And then just like any other email that you send out, when I go to send the email, I can customize it from there. This is all just the default settings. Like, we're going to pre-fill some stuff. What would you like it to say? I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below. All right, thanks.